So in this video, I'm just showing you what my hair usually looks like if maybe I had it up while I was sleeping and it just kind of shrunk a bit and it kind of gets pulled into a certain style. And just a side view. So even when I kind of take it down, it's still a little bit stiff. So this is usually when I just sort of rinse my hair just to refresh it while I'm in the shower that day, because obviously it doesn't make sense to wash your locks every single day, especially when they're new. So this is just after I came out of the shower, and I really just put like some water on the ends of my hair while it was in the ponytails, and already it's kind of like shrunk a little bit and it has more body to it. And I just put like a little bit of any leave-in conditioner. It doesn't really matter. I just go back and forth with whatever I have. And later on I did put in a little bit of coconut oil. I comb the ends of my hair because I want them to stay loose like I left them for at least as long as they can. And then right here, my hair's kind of halfway dry, and I don't know if it's just like the brightness and the color of the ends of my hair, but the ends look really scraggly. But right here, my hair is fully dry, and I guess it kind of shrunk to be a little bit more even, so I don't really have like that scraggly look of my ends that I had in the other clip. But yeah, I'm usually pretty happy with this because I feel like it's great if I've been wearing my hair in a bun and it stretches out my hair in a way that just sort of makes it very uneven and very stiff, and it's just being pulled in the direction of the hairstyle. So this is a great way to just refresh your hair if you're planning on like wearing it down. And that's about it. If you have any questions about my hair or anything like that, or any info, just feel free to leave a comment. Thank you.